At Kent County Council, we're proposing changes to the way we use our buildings to deliver some of our community services for residents. These services are children's centres and youth hubs, public health services for children and families, community services for adults with learning disabilities, community learning and skills, and gateways. Why do we need to do this? The Council has experienced big increases in costs and has less money to spend. This is likely to continue into the future. So we need to look ahead and do things differently to make sure we can still help residents in the years to come. We need to tackle the rising costs of maintaining our many buildings. There's a backlog of £165 million to keep them in good repair for use. Find savings so we can balance the budget. Reduce our carbon footprint to meet our net zero ambitions, whilst ensuring effective support for residents who need our services. Our proposals to address this are based on understanding where there is greatest need for our services and carefully considering how people's needs will be met. We've looked at how different parts of the county are affected by poverty, isolation, and other factors such as the distance for people to get to our buildings. The proposals include having fewer permanent buildings, meaning that some of our buildings would close. We want to keep buildings in areas where they are needed the most. Co-locating more of our services, meaning more than one service would be available from some of the buildings you might visit. Continuing to deliver some services by outreach, which means they do not take place in a dedicated or permanent space, but move around to when and where they're needed. And ensuring residents can continue to access services and information online. Our proposals are subject to feedback from you, the people who use our services, and we're keen to hear from as many residents as possible as part of this consultation. You can learn more about proposed changes in your area and have your say by visiting kent.gov.uk/community services consultation.